Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word castle. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The medieval castle loomed majestically over the countryside, its towering walls and turrets a reminder of a bygone era. A castle is a large fortified building or group of buildings with thick walls, typically built in the past as a residence for royalty or nobility. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.